Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Paradise. In this video, we are going to see how to use the DeepL Image Editor app. So what does this app do? It helps you auto-detect your photos, retouch your images, and enhance your visuals easily. For example, if your face has pimples or scars in a photo, you can remove them in seconds. It also allows you to add effects, crop images, and do many other powerful edits. Let us get started. First, click on Start App, then upload an image to begin. In this example, I have selected an image from Google. As you can see, the face has some imperfections. Do not worry, this app has many features, and we will go through each one step by step. Let us start with the Effects feature. Here you can apply different filters and visual effects to improve your image. If you like an effect, click the check mark. If you do not like it, just click the X to remove it. Effects help enhance your image and give it a more professional and artistic look. Next is the Edit feature. Here you can crop, resize, and rotate your image. If you make a mistake, you can always undo it and go back to the original image. Now let us talk about the smoothing feature. There are two types of smoothing: auto smoothing and manual smoothing. Auto smoothing uses AI to automatically detect facial imperfections and remove them instantly. However, it only works when a face is detected. If auto smoothing is not available, you can use manual smoothing. With manual smoothing, you choose a brush size, then manually smooth out areas of the image. Let us try it. Simply brush over the areas you want to fix. As you can see, the difference is already visible. The image looks much cleaner and smoother now. Once done, click Apply. Now go to the Enhancement section. Click on Magic Enhancement to improve the overall quality. You can adjust settings like highlights, contrast, and saturation. You can fine-tune the image until it looks perfect. Now let us compare the result. The difference is clearly visible and simply more polished and professional. Next, we have cropping options. There are two types: object-aware crop and social media crop. Object-aware crop allows you to intelligently crop parts of the image while keeping important subjects intact. Social media crop helps you resize images for different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and more. You can choose the format you need and adjust accordingly. Now let us add a new layer. You can add text, change font size, color, background, and even add stroke effects. Let us add a sample text like Auto Skin Code Product. You can style it however you want, change colors, adjust background, or make it bold and eye-catching. You can also insert images from your computer or import from Pixabay. For example, you can add any image you like and place it anywhere on your design. Everything is fully customizable. Now let us quickly see AI smoothing again with another example. When you use auto smoothing, the AI automatically detects skin areas and smooths them instantly. As you can see, the difference between the original image and the smooth version is very clear. The final result looks clean, professional, and ready to use. And that is the power of the Slick Image Editor app. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.